Lafayette's weather is anything but predictable. With hot, humid summers and occasional cold snaps in the winter, homeowners face unique challenges when it comes to keeping their homes comfortable and energy bills manageable. One of the most effective ways to meet these challenges head-on is by upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows. Modern window technology is designed to handle the demands of Lafayette's changing climate, offering benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Older windows often suffer from worn seals, single-pane glass, and frames that allow air leakage. In Lafayette, where summer heat and humidity can be intense, this means cool air from your air conditioner can escape easily, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In the cooler months, the reverse happens, and warm air leaks out. New energy-efficient windows use double or triple pane glass with insulating gas fills, like argon or krypton, to reduce heat transfer. Combined with advanced weather stripping and insulated frames, these features create a barrier that keeps your indoor climate stable no matter what's happening outside. Low-E glass for climate control. Low emissivity, low-E glass coatings are one of the most important innovations in modern window design. In Lafayette's sunny, humid climate, low-E coatings help reflect infrared heat in the summer to keep interiors cooler. In winter, they reflect heat back into the room, reducing the need for extra heating. This technology also helps protect your furnishings, flooring, and artwork from UV fading, a common problem in homes with large windows that get direct sunlight. Reduced energy bills. By preventing air leaks and limiting unwanted heat transfer, new windows directly lower your energy consumption. That means your HVAC system doesn't have to run as often or as long to maintain your desired temperature. Over time, the savings on utility bills can significantly offset the initial cost of the window upgrade. Many Lafayette homeowners notice a 10 to 25% reduction in energy costs after installing high-performance windows, especially when replacing outdated single-pane models. Enhanced moisture control. Lafayette's high humidity can cause condensation problems, particularly on older, inefficient windows. This not only affects visibility but can also lead to mold, mildew, and wood rot around frames. New windows are designed to minimize condensation through better thermal performance, keeping interior glass surfaces warmer and drier. By controlling moisture, you also improve indoor air quality, an important benefit for households with allergy or asthma concerns. Tailored solutions for Lafayette's climate. Not all windows are created equal, and reputable installers in Lafayette understand the specific demands of the local climate. They can recommend features such as vinyl or fiberglass frames that resist warping and humidity, impact-resistant glass for added protection during storms, custom-fit installation to eliminate gaps and drafts. Choosing windows designed for the region ensures they'll perform at their best for years to come. Long-term return on investment. While new windows are an upfront investment, they offer multiple long-term paybacks. Lower utility bills, reduced HVAC wear and tear, increased home resale value, improved comfort and indoor air quality. In Lafayette's competitive housing market, energy-efficient features can make your property stand out and attract buyers willing to pay more for a move-in ready, cost-saving home. Final thoughts. In a climate as varied as Lafayette's, energy efficiency isn't just about saving money. It's about ensuring your home remains comfortable and protected through every season. New windows provide insulation, climate control, and moisture management that older models simply can't match. If you're ready to take the next step, consult with a local window replacement expert who understands Lafayette's weather patterns and can recommend the best solutions for your home. The right upgrade will pay dividends in comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind for years to come.